traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a Emini Trading Room recap for Tuesday the 22nd of January. Hope everybody had a great holiday yesterday, celebrating Martin Luther King Day, and it's definitely a good time off. Very good for some rest and great stuff. And then today it's back to the markets, and the markets have been a little choppy, and they're probably going to, be choppy the rest of the week. And, today we did have this little gap. The markets, the ES chopped around a little, went a little lower, chopped around a little higher, and then had a pretty decent run between 11.50 and 12.15. So today we had one trade. Actual entries and exits, we took 1 point or 4 ticks out of the market, which would equate to $50 per point. We basically watched the market this entire time. We got short over here, and basically took profits quick. The markets did chop around down here quite a bit, and then it finally began moving higher, chopped around a little more, and then finally took off around 11.50. And I like to, just err on the side of caution. I like to wait and, wait for something to set up and then make a move. And, when I did take this short here, I anticipated the market going lower, but it didn't. And that's one of those times, and that's one of the reasons why I prefer discretionary trading over mechanical trading. If I was, I wanted to be there. I was there, I took the trade, I saw the market wasn't working out like I thought it was, I got out, and I got out with a point. That was good. Rather than if, I would have taken this trade mechanically, then the most likely outcome would have been when price came up here, I would have been stopped out. So being able to see what's in front of you, I think, is a whole lot more valuable than having an algorithm trade for you. And I've talked about it a ton of times, and I can talk about it for a long time. It's just something I don't really see that's advantageous to any retail trader. Your big banks, your Goldman Sachs, and banks like that, they spend millions of dollars creating algorithms to trade for them. And I know I don't have those type of resources, and most people don't. So you can't really try to compete with somebody when you have when you don't really have the resources that they have to compete. So anyway, that's how I feel about that. Hopefully that made sense. But we got out with a point. It was a good day, and we'll come back the next day and try to make it a good day. So with that, hope you got something out of my rant today. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow in the markets. Thank you.